Hi, my name is Desiree. In this video, I will show you how to replace the receiver of a Belfire's gas fire. What do you need? A Phillips head screwdriver. Always make sure the fireplace is completely turned off when you want to replace the receiver. First, we will make sure there's no power supply to the receiver anymore. We do this by removing the batteries or unplugging the power supply from the socket. Be careful to only use the red ribbon when removing the batteries. Using a sharp object to get them out may lead to electronic components being damaged. Now we can remove all cables from the receiver. The cables that can be removed immediately are the grey spark cable, the 8-coloured cable, and the AUX cable for the double burner. It could be that your receiver is connected to a module box, a Wi-Fi module, or an external control unit as well. These cables can be removed as well. Lastly, we will remove the wiring for the thermocouple interrupter. These are 2 cables, red and yellow, which are fastened by a screw. We will now remove these too. Now the receiver is disconnected from all cables and we can install a new receiver. We start by connecting the wiring for the thermocouple interrupter, the cables with the red and yellow cable ends. The red cable will be connected to the outside of the receiver at the top right-hand side. The yellow cable will be connected next to it. Fasten the screws tightly. Then we connect the grey spark cable to the receiver at the top left-hand corner. Now we connect the 8-coloured cable and, if applicable, the cable for the external control system. You will find these connections on the right-hand side of the receiver. On the left-hand side of the receiver, we will connect the cables for the module box and the double burner. Lastly, we will connect the cable for the Wi-Fi module again. When all wiring has been connected, we can add a power source, attach the power adapter to the receiver, or place back the batteries. Now you can use your fireplace. If you have replaced your receiver, you might have to pair your new receiver to your remote before you can use your fireplace. If you don't know how to do this, please watch our how-to video pairing the receiver and remote control. If anything is unclear, or if you have any other questions, please contact our service department. We are happy to help you.